So good afternoon. Third year BA 6th semester, Sem 6, PHP, programming in PHP. So we start with this PPT. So origins and uses of PHP. So PHP is developed by Erasmus Leddoff in 1994, developed to allow him to track visitors to his website. So PHP is an open source product, means it is open source software. PHP is an acronym for personal home page, or PHP means hypertext preprocessor. So PHP means generally personal home page, or PHP means hypertext personal home page preprocessor. PHP is used for form handling, file processing, and database access. So generally PHP is mainly used to create forms like data entry forms and data entry screens, handling file processors and databases access. So what are the main concepts of PHP? PHP is a server-side scripting language whose scripts are embedded in HTML. So generally PHP files are embedded. It is a scripting language, one of the scripting languages. There are many other type of scripting languages are available. It is one of them. Generally PHP is used along with HTML documents or HTML files, and PHP is embedded within a HTML file, similar to JavaScript but on server side. So what is the main difference between JavaScript and PHP? Means PHP is a server side scripting language, means it is mainly used at server side or server systems only, whereas JavaScript is a client side scripting language used at all the clients. So PHP is a server side scripting language. PHP is an alternative to CGI, ASP.NET, JSP, and Cold Fusion and others. So PHP is also one of the development scripting language like ASP.NET, .NET, ASP, JSP, like that. The PHP processor has two modes. The PHP processor has two modes. First one is copy XHTML and interpret PHP. So what are the main points of PHP? What are the main points of using PHP? Means PHP syntax is similar to that of JavaScript. Means PHP is almost equivalent to JavaScript syntax. The PHP is dynamically typed, means dynamically typed and statically typed, and PHP is purely interpreted. Interpreted means it is pre-executed, means generally it is a pre-executed or pre-compiled scripting language. So what are the main characteristics of PHP? PHP code can be specified in an XHTML document internally or externally. Generally PHP commands and codes are written with less than question mark PHP and question mark greater than symbol. Externally means include some command. The file can have both PHP and XHTML. If the file has PHP, the PHP must be included in between the symbols like less than, question mark PHP, and question mark greater than. Every variable name begins with dollar. So in PHP generally all variables should start with, in PHP generally all variables should start with a dollar sign. Means normally in C language we may use some variables without any symbols, but in PHP we may use a dollar preceded with variable name preceded with dollar sign. So next is comments. So generally in PHP comments are written in three ways. First one is //, second one is hash, and third one is /* and //. Compound statements are formed with braces. So Generally in PHP, compound statements are written with braces. Compound statements cannot be blocks. So generally, compound statements are cannot be written in blocks. And primitives, operations, and expressions. So what are primitives and what are operations and expressions? So variables. So what are variables? There are no type declarations. Generally, to use variables, we may not require any type declarations. And an unsigned unbound variable has the value null. The unset, isset functions are used to determine whether a variable is null or not. So next is primitives, operations, and expressions. So generally PHP have 8 primitive types, 8 data types. So what are the data types? What are the main data types in PHP? Means PHP generally have so what are data types? Primitive data types are data types in PHP language. So 4 scalar types or 4 types of data types are mainly available in PHP. 4 types of data types are available in PHP. Boolean, integer, double, and string. So what are the main data types used in PHP are boolean, integer, double, and string. And 2 compound data types like arrays and objects are used. 2 special data types, resource and null, are used. So integer and double are like those of other languages. Strings. What is a string? Characters are single bytes. String literates use single or double quotes. So all these are the different types of data types used in PHP. So primitives, operations, and expressions. So single quoted string literals, as in pen. Embedded variables are not interpreted, and double quoted string literals, as in, are also available in PHP. Boolean values are true and false. So operators. So what are the different types of operators available in PHP? So arithmetic operators and expressions, usual operators. If the result of integer division is not an integer, a double is written. Any integer operation that results in overflow produces a double. So what are arithmetic functions? So with arithmetic operators, we may use other type of arithmetic functions also, like floor, C, round, ABS, min, max, rand, etc. So string operations and functions. So what are different types of string functions? strlen, strcompare or cmp, strpos, str, and as in C, trim, ltrim. So output statements. So what are the different types of input statements or input functions and output functions in PHP? Output from a PHP script is HTML, that is sent to the browser. HTML is sent to the browser through standard output. So generally in PHP, the output is generated with output statements or output or result of a program is generally sent by using HTML scripts or HTML tags only. So there are 3 ways to produce output. That is, first one is echo, second one is print, third one is printf. So What are the three different types of output statements or output functions in PHP are, first one is echo, second one is print, and third one is printf. So echo means syntax is echo, within quotes some message, semicolon. Another output function is printf or print, syntax is print, within quotes some message, semicolon. PHP code is placed in the body of an HTML document. Generally, where to use PHP code in HTML? Generally, PHP code is embedded. PHP code is embedded or inserted in between the body tags of a HTML program. So, how to use PHP code or how to use PHP statements means syntax is HTML head title slash head body. Within the body tag we may use less than $PHP and some PHP statements, and every PHP function or statement is ends with every PHP statement or every PHP statement or a function ends with a semicolon and question mark and greater than slash body slash HTML. So control statements. So what are the different types of control statements used in PHP? So control expressions, relational operators same as JavaScript, means generally what are the relational arithmetic operators and relational operators and logical operators. Almost all operators are same as we used in JavaScript, means in arithmetic operators are like plus, minus, star, slash, and relational operators like less than equals to, greater than equals to, not equals. So there are two types of operators are used. Single equals to or means assignment operator, means example is $a is equals to 3 semicolon. Double equals to means comparison operators, and exclamatory and double equals to means not operator. Similarly, Boolean operators are same as C language. So what are the different types of Boolean operators or logical operators? Logical operators or Boolean operators used in PHP are double ampersand for and double vertical bar for or, like that. So selection statements. So in control statements, generally what are the different types of selection statements used? So generally if statement, if else statement, else if statements are used. So there are three standard types, types of functions used in PHP: if else, else if, and switch as in C language. So the switch expression type must be integer, double or string, and while statement or while loop just like used in C language, do while statement used in C language, and for statement used in C language, for each we discuss it later, and break statement and continue statement. So generally these two control statements, break and continue, are used with any loops like for loop, for each loop, while loop, do while loop, etc. And alternative compound delimiters, generally so PHP script or PHP programs are generally embedded within a PHP less than $PHP code. So all PHP code and programs are generally written in between body tag of body tag. So this is the simple example: $a is equals to 7 semicolon, $b is equals to 7 semicolon. If $a double equals to $b, then $a is equals to 3 into $a and question mark greater than.